Understanding how your household income is calculated is the first step toward better financial planning and understanding your eligibility for various programs. A household is defined as everyone living in the same home who shares resources, regardless of whether they are related by blood or marriage. When experts talk about household income, they are almost always referring to the total gross earnings of every working adult in the living unit. It includes more than just a salary. Think of interest, dividends, and government assistance, which all contribute to the total financial picture. While personal income determines your specific tax bracket, household income is often what lenders or government agencies use to assess financial health. Federal data shows how these numbers shift over time. Tracking your own household trends helps you set realistic long-term savings goals. Treating your household as a single financial team can help you identify shared strengths and opportunities for growth. Knowing your household income helps you make smarter choices. Check your recent pay stubs and tax returns to calculate your current total.